Well, everybody, this is Marshall Studios Forever here. Marshall Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience today. Also, I have a really huge announce. Today's, tonight's vlog, I'm going to tell you about my autism gifted deals I really do have. Like, I love to carry a whole bunch of vintage vacuum cleaners from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, early 2000s, and that's only it. And I love to carry a whole bunch of vintage stuff, and I really loved having a whole bunch of vintage stuff in my bedroom. And I live at my mom's house, and I really love living with my mom a lot. And also, and I mostly film in my bedroom, and mostly downstairs in the living room to do vacuum cleaner videos. And for first of all, I knew Lucito Romero's and I will be making a lot of good vacuum cleaner videos, and I will be making a franchise, and I will be making more content, a bunch of them, and we're going to be making a lot. Well, forever. And me and Lucito will be making a lot of YouTube videos. And you guys, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe, and click on the bell what you like to see, and click the bell, click thumbs up, hit subscribe, and click on the comics what you like to see for a brand new video from Marshall Studios Forever on November 4th. Also, I'm going to be very busy with YouTube Shorts, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!